Hello from Slovenia again. I will just do another double dip today on the MDF boards. I really enjoy doing this lately. I don't know why. They just turned out really nice. And I will try to layer my paints a little differently, so not for a background, just for the pattern. I normally just drizzled some paint, but today I was thinking to do just maybe 3 kind of puddles, and let's see if this will make any nice patterns. I can always do a drizzle on top, I hope, and do it the way that I did the other ones. But I was just thinking to try like that to see what will happen. It's not important that your paint is totally levered or something. I just have to grab my torch because I forgot that I threw it before. To pop up these air bubbles. I have quite a lot of them today. Don't know why. And my torch will die soon. So I mixed Amsterdam turquoise green with some aquamarine DecoArt extreme sheen. And I will use some of this really thin black first. I just thin it down really bad. And then a little bit of carmine red. I don't want to add too much paint, so I will try to be slow. They react really weird together. We will see what will happen. And some quinacridone burnt orange. And some azo yellow middle hue. And some thin down white. All my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, but black and white I thin down really bad, and I mix it 4:1, not 2:1 like other colors. So this is the thing. And I'm expecting some lacing from those two because they are thin. I hope that they will not. And this will be it, because I will, tear them apart. That way that paint will flow down. And that's how or why I expect some nice details. Let's see what will happen. And This part you have to do slowly. No, I didn't get the result that I was hoping for. See, this one here is just a weird blob of paint, so maybe if the dots would be just here, not down there, that it would create that kind of pattern that I had in my head, but not like this. So what I will do, I will just pour some of this turquoise on top of that, and I will leave black paint out, because I don't think that I like it here. And I will just go with some drizzles of red. And I will grab my pearl white and add a little pearl white, because I love the effects that I get with my pearl white, you know that. Okay, just want a little more, and some of this orange, quinacridone burnt orange. And the yellow, maybe a little more yellow. And I will drizzle some of this thin down white too. Just, I don't know, just drizzling. I like to do paintings like that you just drizzle some paint and then you watch what will happen. So let's marry this again. And don't worry, I sand these bags afterwards, so it's not important if they are messy right now. Okay, I see a lot of red. Let's see what will happen with those two. Sometimes it's just hard to tear them apart because of the suction. But the suction creates these lines in those double dips. So weird. I was expecting more lacing. I don't know why. I didn't get them as much as I thought. So let's bring those two together. And torch. I didn't get almost any lacing, so totally different result. So weird. So here is a close-up. I don't know, maybe I have my paints a little thicker because they were, I have to blow this out a little bit. They were laying around quite some time. Maybe this is the reason that this turned out really different, but I love the colors, so I will leave it and try this again with the thinner paint. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.